Hey everyone, welcome back to Tire Talk, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews. Today, we have something exciting for you, the 2025 BYD Atto 3, an electric SUV that's been making waves in the EV market. We're going to take a deep dive into its exterior, interior, back seats, performance, and pricing to help you decide if this could be your next ride. So, let's get started. Let's begin with the exterior. The Atto 3 has a sleek, futuristic design with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a dynamic body shape that gives it a premium look. The daytime running lights add to its aggressive stance, while the aerodynamic lines help with efficiency. The alloy wheels complement the SUV's sporty appeal, and the overall design makes it stand out in the electric vehicle segment. Now, stepping inside, the interior is where BYD really shines. The cabin feels modern and high-tech, with a large rotating touchscreen infotainment system, digital driver's display, and soft touch materials all around. The ambient lighting gives it a futuristic vibe, and the build quality feels premium. The seats are well cushioned, and the ergonomics are designed for comfort. The dashboard layout is clean, and everything is within easy reach, making the driving experience smooth and enjoyable. Moving to the back seats, the Atto 3 offers generous legroom and headroom for rear passengers. The seats are comfortable for long journeys, and the flat floor adds to the spacious feel. Rear AC vents, USB charging ports, and a center armrest enhance the overall experience for passengers. If you're looking for a practical family EV, this SUV doesn't disappoint. Now, let's talk performance. The Atto 3 comes with an electric motor producing around 201 horsepower and 310 Nm of torque, making it quick and responsive. The acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h happens in just about 7.3 seconds, which is impressive for an electric SUV in this category. The LFP lithium iron phosphate battery pack provides a range of around 420 to 480 km, depending on driving conditions. Charging is also convenient, with DC fast charging allowing you to go from 30% to 80% in under 30 minutes. The regenerative braking system helps improve efficiency, and the overall driving dynamics are smooth, thanks to the well-tuned suspension. When it comes to pricing, the BYD Atto 3 is positioned as a strong competitor in the electric SUV segment. Depending on the market and trim level, prices generally range between $35,000 to $45,000. For this price, you're getting a feature-packed electric SUV with solid range, premium interiors, and advanced technology. So, is the 2025 BYD Atto 3 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, high-tech, and practical EV with a great range and performance, this SUV is definitely worth considering. It offers a great balance between affordability and premium features, making it a strong option in the growing EV market. What do you think about the BYD Atto 3? Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tire Talk for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.